CID and the security agencies. I know that you did so much work to put this together. I was almost saying, I think the next one we are going to join, and we say the joint. You know, this is a very good accountability, my brother, very good accountability to the nation, because we have the mandate to work for the people. Just a few things that I noted, that the numbers, we should be able to interpret these numbers positively. I want to say the reduced crime rate, congratulations. CID, the security agencies, that's why we are moving even from prosecution-guided investigations to actually intelligence-guided, because most of the offenses, IGP, we actually get them from intelligence. Then the intelligence, the police work on it, plus our prosecutors, and turn them to evidence. So we want to have that collaboration strengthened. I am also looking at the cases dismissed. This is a bit of an indictment on all of us. And I think the cry has been, we don't summon witnesses. I don't know what is happening. We do not summon witnesses. So most of these cases which are dismissed are actually that witnesses did not come because they were not summoned. So we need to refocus and put more funds on summoning of witnesses. My brother IGP, the judiciary is increasing every single, let me say month, they're recruiting. This puts pressure on you, this puts pressure on me and the other criminal justice actors. So we need to speak one voice, that we need to increase numbers. We need more boots on the ground for the office of the DPP, for the police, and other criminal agencies, because then we all deliver as one. What do we need to do? Apart from increasing boots on the ground, we need to retool. We need the tools to do our work. We need to relearn, capacity building. Almost all the crimes are being committed by use of some kind of technology. Even a simple assault now is committed by use of technology. So we need to retool our foot soldiers. And definitely, I was just looking at the guidelines that have been put by the Chief Justice. They have streamlined the bail in the courts of law and brought some kind of sanity. I was just thinking in the lines of police bond. Shouldn't we be thinking of putting guidelines for police bond? There are some offenses where you cannot give police bond, like terrorism. Can you give a police bond? Because you'll wake up one time and someone deep in Amuru has given a suspect of terrorism a police bond. Will you ever see that person? You will never see them. So I think we need to sit down and come up with guidelines on police bond. Which are the offenses you can give? Which are the, of course, and also collection, processing, and storage of exhibits. When I say this, of course, the media is going to jump and say 48 hours. But 48 hours should really be looked at. In terms of, we should look at, do we have enough numbers? IGP, your investigators will tell you that they go to a particular station and are waiting for one state attorney who is appearing before 4 judicial officers to sanction a charge. The police officers wait there until evening. They go back. That's one day. Almost 12 hours gone. The next day they come back. The state attorney is in a high court session, which starts from 8 to around 6, sometimes even 7. And then 48 hours go. And then we say the police are over-detaining. These 48 hours, we need this conversation. It has to be at the backdrop of, do we have enough staff on the ground? Every state attorney, every judicial officer should have 2 state attorneys serving them. But now it is the opposite. It is 1 state attorney against 4 judicial officers. The judicial officers are sitting, waiting in court for the next for the settlement to come. So that's the problem we're having. And of course, I'm so happy to hear about the holding cells, that they are being improved. I'm also happy about the introduction of disciplinary courts in all districts. So I'm thinking that the Human Rights Enforcement Act is going to become redundant, because I don't think they will be having any candidates to go there. And with these few remarks, I just want once again to congratulate you and to tell you without really fear of contradiction that we are having a very good working relationship with the Director CID and with the Director ISO, with Crime Intelligence and CMI. We really work as one. And most of the cases that we have recently investigated jointly, because even me now I investigate, I guide in the investigations. We have done it in record time because all the agencies have been working together as one. So that's why I call Director CID my twin. The Constitution makes him my twin, because without him, there's no one for me to direct. So at least I have someone to direct. So with those few remarks, I want to thank you and congratulate you once again for God and my country. God bless you all.